Yah has done it again. Prepare yourselves, for Exodus is coming. The 400 years is up, and ever since then, things have been taken off. The 400 years of our slavery and affliction had ended in the year of 2019 to 2020. Even the United States of America government recognized that the children of Israel slavery is up. And you know who are the children of Israel. The truth is coming out throughout the four corners of the earth. I just love this. So this is by KTVB, okay? And lightning has struck the Statue of Liberty. And it has also knocked out the Power 2000 in New Jersey. All praise be to Yah.